What is the reason behind the tomb of Pharaoh Horemheb still not being found? Have you ever wondered why the tomb of Pharaoh Horemheb, the last ruler of Egypt's 18th dynasty, remains undiscovered? Several factors contribute to this mystery. Over the centuries, tombs have faced destruction and decay due to both natural and human causes. Geological changes, such as Nile floods and earthquakes, could have buried or altered the tomb's location. Additionally, the scarcity of textual or archaeological clues makes pinpointing the tomb difficult. Horemheb's final resting place might be in an unexpected location, away from known royal burial sites like the Valley of the Kings or Saqqara. Despite these challenges, ongoing archaeological efforts hold the promise of unveiling new evidence that could lead to this elusive discovery. Subscribe our channel and follow us for regular updates and exclusive content.